Alright folks, Armageddon, Snowmageddon. It's 7:20 on, what the hell's today? Thursday morning. Sitting at the stoplight. Snow is deep. Here we go, we're gonna spin around here. We're on our way to work. This is Route 13 in all its non-plowedness. So my advice to you is stay home, stay warm, call in those refills, keep your pharmacist busy, but don't come out in this. Wait till tomorrow, the next day. I mean, we've got 6 inches, someplace 10 inches of snow. It's quite brutal. So stay in, stay warm. Thanks for watching. Cheers. So it's 23 degrees. We're at the work now. You can see it's still blowing nasty snow. There's another intrepid traveler traversing Route 13. We've got snow drifts, snow piles. It's nasty. Well, here we are at work. You can see the intrepid travelers out on the highway, braving the unplowed roads to some unknown destination. But here we are, safe and sound. Hope everybody travels safe. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.